this is Humble Hus you're watching because you want to know how to hold the crochet hook, and I will show you. Let's start with the right hand. This is called the pencil position. Rest the handle on your hand between the index and the thumb finger. From the tip, put your thumb and index finger on the thumb rest if available on your hook. If no thumb rest is provided, this is still where you want to hold the hook, about 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters from the tip. The other way to hold your hook is called the knife position. The hook handle tucked away under your hand, like so, as if you're cutting food or whisking egg whites for a cake. Again, your thumb and index fingers rest on the thumb rest if available. I personally crochet in the knife position. If you're left-handed, which I am not, and this feels very awkward, your handle will rest on your hand in the pencil position, and your thumb and index fingers will rest on the thumb rest. Basically, you're going to hold the hook as if it were a mirror image from your right hand. The same goes for the knife position. Tuck the hook handle under your hand. It is very practical that the same hooks can be used for both left and right-handed people. Take some time to figure out which position works for you and which hand if you happen to be ambidextrous. Enjoy your practice. Bye!